Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Daily English Practice, your cozy corner to learn English through real, everyday conversations. I'm Mary.
And I'm John. Today, we're taking you on a little adventure, something exciting, sometimes scary, but always memorable.
What's that, John?
Traveling to a new country.
Oh, yes. That moment when you step off the plane, look around, and think, wow, I'm really here.
Or when you get lost at the airport 5 minutes later.
That too. Traveling is full of surprises.
Okay, let's start from the beginning. Planning. When you travel to a new country, you usually need a few things: your passport, tickets, and of course, a plan.
A plan that you never follow completely. Smiles.
Exactly, but it's fun to dream. So, Mary, if you could travel anywhere right now, where would you go?
Maybe Japan. I love the culture, the food, the mix of tradition and technology.
Oh, yes, sushi, temples, cherry blossoms, and me trying to use chopsticks again.
You need practice.
Okay, so step one, booking the flight. Useful phrases. I'd like to book a flight to Tokyo. What time does the flight depart? Can I have a window seat, please?
Perfect. And don't forget, how much is a round-trip ticket? That's when you go and come back.
Exactly. A one-way ticket means you're not coming back soon. Maybe you're moving abroad.
That's a big dream for many people, studying or working in another country.
Now, packing. Oh boy, this part always stresses me out.
You always pack too many things.
Hey, I just like to be prepared. I bring 5 jackets, even for summer.
So, for beginners, here are some simple English phrases you might use. I need to pack my clothes. Don't forget your passport. Do we have enough space in the suitcase?
And this one, my luggage is too heavy.
That's you, every time.
Guilty. But seriously, learning travel vocabulary helps a lot. Words like luggage, passport, ticket, boarding pass, suitcase, toothbrush, charger.
And don't forget travel adapter.
Oh yes, I once went to London and couldn't charge my phone for 2 days.
How did you survive?
I talked to people in real life.
Okay, let's move to the airport. One of my favorite parts of traveling.
Really? I always feel nervous at airports. So many announcements, so many lines.
True, but it's also exciting. You hear different languages, see people going everywhere.
Here are some common airport English phrases. Where's the check-in counter? Can I see your passport? Your flight is delayed. Please put your bag on the scale.
Oh, yes. And when you go through security, please remove your shoes and belt.
I always forget that part.
Then, before boarding, now boarding passengers for Flight 302.
And the big one, have a safe flight.
So, now we're finally on the plane. You sit down, take a deep breath, and realize you forgot your neck pillow.
That's me, every time.
Some useful phrases for the flight. Excuse me, may I have some water? Could I change my seat? Where is the restroom? Can I have a blanket, please?
And of course, how long is the flight?
You always ask that.
Hey, I like to count the hours until I can eat airplane food.
You're the only person who likes that food.
It's an experience.
Finally, the airplane lands. You hear the wheels touch the ground, and your adventure begins.
That moment is magical. You step out, feel the new air, and see signs in another language.
And your brain goes, wait, what does that mean?
Here are some phrases that help. Where's the baggage claim? How do I get to the city center? Can I take a taxi or bus? How much is the fare?
And at the hotel, I have a reservation. Can I check in early? Is breakfast included?
Pro tip, Always smile and say thank you. It goes a long way in any country.
Now comes the fun part. Exploring new food, new people, new experiences.
I remember my first time in Italy, I tried to order pizza and accidentally asked for 20 instead of 2.
Did they bring all 20?
They looked very confused. I learned that day how important pronunciation is.
Some useful travel phrases. Can you recommend a good restaurant? Where is the nearest train station? This place is beautiful. I'm from Ethiopia, India, Brazil.
Yes, talking about where you're from is a great way to make friends.
And remember to say, nice to meet you. Have a great day.
Traveling to a new country is more than just sightseeing. It changes how you see the world.
Yes, you learn to appreciate new cultures and even small things like different ways of greeting people.
For example, in Japan, people bow. In France, they say bonjour with a smile.
And in Ethiopia, we share coffee. That's love and hospitality.
Beautiful. Traveling teaches you that the world is full of kind people.
Let's quickly review some key travel words. Passport, ticket, suitcase, airport, reservation, flight, customs, baggage claim.
And useful phrases. I'd like to book a flight. Can I have a window seat? Where's the hotel? How do I get to the city center?
Perfect for beginners.
So, if you're planning to travel soon, don't be afraid. Make mistakes, ask questions, and enjoy the journey.
Every hello in a new country is the start of a new story.
And if you want to practice more English conversations like this,
Subscribe to Daily English Practice.
we'll be your travel buddies, but in English.
See you next time.
Goodbye.